Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about one of the assignments that has been given to us. The topic name is Malgudi. Problem statement here is like an Indian cafe called Malgudi Coffee Day is being acquired by another company. The new management wants to close certain non-performing stores and open 50 new stores. So what should be their execution model to achieve maximum profit out of its strategy? So, from the problem statement, we come to know that Malgudi Coffee Day is already prevalent in from the previous days, and it is already having a pre-existing customer base. So, based on that, I have few points which can be helpful in gaining profit. So, the first point comes like adding new products and services. So, expanding on this point, it's like the Malgudi Coffee Day needs to figure out which products and services the customers want and how much they will be willing to pay for them. The best way to know about this is to do a thorough market analysis or thorough market research, which will mainly focus on new products and services and their cost to manufacture, sell, and provide service to them. Providing service to the new customers. So, and the second point, now selling more products and services to the existing customers. Now, how this can be done? Now, this can be done by doing a proper market segmentation analysis to identify the customer segments that are more likely to buy. So you can focus your sales and marketing efforts on those segments. This analysis will help you to differentiate. Means your customers into segments based on criteria like age, buying history, gender, location, so that you can focus or you can analyze their potential profitability when it comes to selling them new products and services. Now the third point, like expanding into new territories, like already as it has been said in the problem statement that there were certain non-performing stores of the Malgudi Coffee Day, and because of which the new management had offered to open 50 more new stores. So like in the third point, expanding into new territories, here the idea is to operate, market, and sell your existing products and services to the new customer. So these new customers can be in different segments or niches or different locations from where you are currently operating. So it would be a suggestion that all those 50 customers or sorry all those 50 new stores need to be opened in those locations where the market research or the analysis show that there can be a lot more profit than where it is currently operating. Okay, so now coming to the fourth point, targeting into new customer markets. So this is like since already the Malgudi Coffee Day is having a pre-owned customer base, and people might be loving it for its products, but venturing into new market and venturing into new customer market is very much essential because the market trends get changed every day and new customers are getting involved. So the most important part is like if you're venturing into new customer markets, you need to do a lot of advertising. So if Malgudi Coffee Day puts up means better advertising for possibility, so it will be possible for it to get a new customer base and help it to gain more profit. So, and the last point, like tapping into new sales and delivery models. So this was like the internet is the current sensation where not sensation, it's like the best example of how a new sales and delivery channel can transform a small business. So as it is already operating in a good scale, so advice will be like it can reinvent itself by taking advantage of online opportunities, by advertising online and using search engine optimization techniques to have a better results in the web search, and which will eventually help out in gaining more customers and getting more profit. So this is it. So I guess this works and this helps. Thank you.